Did you just buy one of the brand new DJI Mini 4K drones? Well, if you did and you're wanting to learn how to do quick shots, this is the video. All right, assuming you've already learned how to get the drone in the air, all that jazz, let's go over quick shots. I'm screen recording the screen here for you, so I'm going to show you what's going on. Over here on the right side of the screen, right above the record button, just tap that little guy. You got the photo, video, quick shots. That's where we're going. We're going to quick shots. Go ahead and hit that sucker. It's going to kind of explain to you what's going to happen here or what it can do. Tap to get it out of there, all right? So the different quick shots that we have Droney, Rocket, Circle, and Helix. Oh, I'm sorry, I said 4 quick shots at the beginning of this. There's 5. I forgot about the Boomerang. So we're gonna go through all of those real quick for you, and we're gonna start with the Droney. We're gonna hit the Droney right there, and all right, now you're going to the drone real quick. Boop. So what we're gonna do, instead of just doing it on me here, we're gonna do it to the skate park right here. We got a big skate park in this town. So let's, we got a spine ramp right at the bottom here. What you're gonna do is you're gonna draw a green square over it. Down at the bottom here, you got this distance. You can click on that and change the distance for you. We're gonna leave it at 100 just for today's sake. And just simply hit start.
3, 2, 1.
It's going for you. Boop. And what it's going to do is it's going to go up and back at the same time. And it's going to stay focused on what you put the box on. It's going to go run all the way through that 100%, as you can see on the screen or on the record button here. And then after it's done recording, it's going to work its way back to where it started. So as it's done, it's going to come back in real quick, and that's going to be the Droney shot. So let's move on to the next location. I don't want to do this all at the skate park. We got some other cool stuff here in this town, so we'll see you out there. All right, we're here, second location. Going to show you the second of the quick shots. So first things first, let's get this little bird up in the air. There it is. Yo. Now that the bird is up in the air, click on the quick shots once again. We're going to work to the second of the quick shots. That is going to be the Rocket. What that is it's going to show you, it's just going to go straight up. Click out of it. You know, instead of, doing me, let's take this sucker back a little bit, and we'll get it to go over to see the river behind me real quick. There we go. We'll just start here. Actually, I got an idea. I don't know if it's going to be any good. I got this rock in front of me here. We're going to draw the square right around the rock. All right. We're going to change the altitude. This is going to ask you how high you want it to go up. We're starting at, it thinks it's at 10 feet off the ground. It's a little higher than that out there. Slope down. So we're going to take it up to 200. We're going to hit 200. And
3,
just gonna hit start.
2, 1.
And just like the other quick shot, it's gonna run through its, I'm gonna call it the paces. It's gonna run through its program here. It's telling you on the right side of the screen, it's 22% done. And it's just going straight up. It's gonna go that, I forgot, we picked 200? I think we picked 200. It's gonna go up 200 feet from where it started, and then it's going to end it out, and it's going to bring it right back, just like the last quick shot. We're taking it up, it's way up there on us. There we go, we hit, see it, 100%. Just like that, and it's going to return back to you every time. Now, I will warn you, once you're doing these quick shots, once it starts going, don't hit the sticks. It will cancel the current quick shot that's going. Bringing it back down to me. All right. See? right where it thought it started. It's pretty close. All right. So that was the second of the quick shots. Let's move to a different location. This one's not the greatest. The view doesn't look very good over the river right now from this spot. Let's hand landing this sucker.
Landing.
If you're wanting to learn how to hand launch and hand land, check back on one of my later videos. I'll try to put a link in the description of this one for you. All right, see you at the next spot. All right, we're on to the third location. Once again, we're gonna get this sucker in the air. We gotta hurry up, run out of battery. I left one of the other batteries in the car, so let's just do this real quick. We are recording on the screen again. This time we're gonna go do the circle of the quick shots, and we're gonna safely get this drone out over the lake behind me here. Watch for people, watch for trees. All right, now that we're over the lake, we're gonna go up. You know, since I don't know how far away the trees are on the other side, I'm gonna just make it high enough that, you know, that it's just not gonna be an issue. These trees don't look like they're over 60, 70 feet. So what we're gonna do, gonna back it up a little bit. This one, we're gonna draw a square around the fountain. You know, just to be safe. Let's take it up to about 75, 80. Okay, there we go. I feel a little more comfortable with that. All right, just like the other ones, we're gonna hit start and it's gonna run all the way around.
3, 2, 1.
All right, here we go. And it's just like the other one. They're all gonna be the same here. So if you've seen the video already this far, you know how the rest of them are gonna work. Just play around with it. But if you're enjoying it, stay with me. You know, we're trying to give you some of the views of, you know, my local spots. I can't see the drone right now, which is kind of a no-no. So we're praying it doesn't hit no trees. It shouldn't. I can see it a little bit there. See, just like this, and I'm gonna remind you again, don't hit the sticks while it's running. Let it do its thing. All right, we're done. And since it was a circle, it didn't have to bring it back because it ended where it started. So let's go ahead and drop her down, turn it into us. It's over here somewhere. Oh yeah, low battery. There we are, I can see you now, bud. Come on in to daddy. I'm definitely not putting that in here. All right, and just like that, there's the circle. You know, we just brought the drone back to me. We're running out of battery, so let's go ahead and get this thing out of here. We'll move on to the next location. Once again, we'll hit another of the quick shot. That's what we're doing here, aren't we? Hey, buddy, come on in for me. All right, we are in the air. We're getting ready to do the next of the 5 quick shots. Once again, going to quick shots on the screen. This quick shot, this one's called the Helix. What this one's gonna do is it's gonna start and it's gonna work its way around, but it's gonna go up at the same time. So let's get this bird over this here. I keep calling it a bird, it's a dang drone. Go ahead and go over, we're at a dog park right here. This is a nice open area. There's nothing I can hit. Take it up, take the drone up. All right, now switching to the drone camera. Turn around here. All right. And we're just going to start here with this this obstacle in the dog park here. Just like all the rest of it, we're going to draw a square around it and hit start.
3, 2.
It's going to count it down.
1.
We're going to watch what it's doing here. just like the rest of them. It's going to go through its paces. It's going to say 1% all the way to 100. And since this one's going to end not where it exactly started, it will pull it back. This is a great shot for pretty much anything that you're trying to do cinematic to show off some maybe property, or maybe you have a car, something along those lines, which would be great to show off. I don't even know where it's at. Oh, there it is. Moving around pretty dang good. Look at that, 100%. We're done. It's gonna take it back, right back to where it started, and that is it. Super simple, guys. This is probably one of the easier things to do with a drone other than just straight fly it and record. This makes it a lot easier for it to, this makes it look a lot better because it's smooth, it's not getting herky-jerky. If you're like me, you're not real good with the sticks. I just jerk it around a whole bunch. So, all right, let's do the last one real quick. For the last one, we're gonna stay here at the dog park. It is 90 something degrees out today. You know what, I'll tell you what it is exactly. It is 92 degrees out today in Iowa. There's humidity. I'm sweating through this shirt. So we're gonna continue to stay in the shade here and show you the last one. All right, the last one is the Boomerang. I actually have never used this one, so you know, you're gonna be learning with me. I'm assuming this is gonna act like a boomerang. So we're gonna take the drone, we're gonna get it away from any trees here. So I don't know how big the Boomerang is going to be. Let's take it up a little bit. Oh, I better screen record this for you. All right, now we're showing you what's on the screen. All right. What do we want to boomerang around real quick? We're just gonna do this tree right here. Square right around the tree. All right, we're gonna hit start.
3,
Boom.
2, 1.
See what it does. It's just gonna, I'm curious how close it's going to get. I'm actually kind of blocked by a little shrubby tree, so I can't really see the drone. It's, well, there I can see a little bit. It's kind of in and out of the leaves here, but we are in an open space and there's nobody down underneath of it. So that's the most important thing. If you're messing with the drone that you don't know exactly what's gonna happen, try to keep it away from population of people. I do have some cars in the parking lot here, but the drone is high enough that I'm not too worried about it. But let's just let it finish out. We're about 50% done. Okay, all right, it's going out and it's coming back in. I like this. The Boomerang's a pretty good one. Yeah, okay. Not bad. Now that we've officially gone through all 5 of the quick shots, I'm really hoping at least, I don't know, 30 seconds of this video helped you out, because when I started flying this thing, it's exactly what I did. I got on YouTube, how to do this or that, you know. So if you're here to learn, I mean, hopefully learn something. You know, if you learn one thing. If you learn one thing, I feel like my job is accomplished here. If you had one bit of entertainment out of this whole deal, my job is finished here. I'm not finished. I've been successful anyways. All right, so thank you again for joining me on all these little videos. And thank you up there. So we'll see you next time. As always, fly safe, be safe, have fun.